sunny. When the sky is clear and the sun is shining brightly. Cloudy. When the sky is covered with clouds and there is little or no sunlight. Rainy. When it is raining, and water is falling from the sky. Windy. When there is a lot of wind blowing. Snowy. When it is snowing, and snowflakes are falling from the sky. Stormy. When there are strong winds, heavy rain, and possibly thunder and lightning. Foggy. When there is a thick layer of fog, reducing visibility. Thunderstorm. A storm characterized by thunder and lightning, often accompanied by heavy rain. Dry. When there is little or no moisture in the air. Heat wave. A prolonged period of excessively hot weather.